Welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Blockchain Wallet application on your mobile device. So in order to download the Blockchain application on your mobile device, go and tap open your App Store or your Play Store. In the search bar, type in blockchain.com and search. You'll be able to see this wallet in the search results. Simply tap on it and tap on the download button to begin the download and installation. Once the application is downloaded and ready for use, tap on the open button to launch open the app. And there you have successfully downloaded Blockchain Wallet application for your preferred device. Blockchain Wallet is a digital tool for software application which allows individuals to store, manage and interact with their cryptocurrency asset. Now you can simply go ahead and log into your existing wallet or get started by creating a new one as you please. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that little subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another update from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.